we'll right click and say open with, and then you can open with Chrome or whatever you want. Brave is my favorite browser, and it's a Chromium-based browser, so Google Chrome should work just as well. And so we get hello world, and we have kind of big and bold text. If instead of using an H1 tag, we go back to Visual Studio Code and we use a paragraph tag, let's see what happens. And we don't go to run anymore. We'll just go back to our Brave browser and hit refresh. And so we still get hello world, but it's a lot smaller. So this H1 that we had before, so this P stands for paragraph. Our H1 stands for a header of type 1, or in other words, a large header. We can have H1s,